Good evening, everyone. Yes, my name is Karan Wani. I'm currently working in the real estate sector and also a part-time trainer. So, before starting, I would like to give you all a brief explaining about my experience in the stock market and also the journey in the stock market. See, I started off by investing and swing trading in fundamentally good stocks. Then later on, I tried my hand in intraday option buying, through which I had a very hard lesson to learn. And since then, have been focusing on limited and quality trades. Now, currently, I'm working on hedge strategies with selected stocks. Okay, means like only around like out of Nifty 50, only around top 10 to 12 stocks. Okay, I emphasize too much on hedge as I can manage the risk by adjusting my positions. One should not be afraid of giving fees to the market. Stop losses are a part of the game. Okay, so the topics that we'll be covering today is long-term investing, swing or positional trade, using my 200 SMA breakout method, and demand and supply. And the
Karan,
third
sorry
topic
to
will be an
interrupt.
MBAR concept.
Sorry to interrupt. Can
Yes,
you
sir.
hide that Google sharing thing? It's in your screen.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah, just hide that so that it doesn't disrupt recording. All right,
Okay.
back to you.
Okay. And the fourth topic will be expiry day trading. That will be systematic trading, which will be running on algo. Okay. So first we'll start with long-term investing, which can be done fundamentally strong stocks and ETFs. Okay. We'll be using the 10 and 13 EMA on weekly or monthly time frame. Okay. Use Heiken-Ashi and Super Trend for clear vision. Okay. Keep adding when the stock touches 13 EMA, that is during the correction phase, and create your own basket of stocks and ETFs, and make sure that the stocks are only growth stocks. Okay, accumulate ETFs in downtrend at every 5% fall. Use SIP mode only as we are looking to build slowly and create a good corpus for ourselves. Okay, so here I'll show it to you with an example on the chart. This is an example of the ITBs. Okay, this is the IT ETF, which consists of all major IT stocks. Okay, so we know that IT and pharma was in a correction phase during the whole of 2022. Sorry. Okay, so see, we could have accumulated at each and every drop or fall of 5%. See, and now the sector is in an uptrend. Okay, see, here is a correction. This is where we should be adding. It's nothing but it's like managing your own mutual fund. Okay, see, if you could have invested in mutual fund, you could have been buying the means the units at premium currently, but we wouldn't like that. As an investor, we want it at a discount. Okay, this is only for ITVs. Then look at pharma Vs also. Okay, pharma sector. See, you would have accumulated at every dip, and see, it is about to take out this high as well. Even if you could have bought it here and you could have kept on averaging it. See, because see, every sector in India, we are a developing economy. Okay, so slow and steady, every sector will have its trend to go up and come down as well. Okay, see, now say if you want to invest in S&P top 50, that is the US markets, you can use this ETF as well. See, you could have accumulated it here because US was in a phase of recession, like kind of. Okay, then even FANG stocks, like their top stocks and all. Okay, this is how we should try to do our long-term investing. See, mid 50 Bs. See, even if you don't know how where to invest, in which stock to invest in mid cap, but you don't want to miss out a rally. This is how we should look to invest. See, correction. See, here also correction, correction, and this super trend is not for like for trend and all. It's just to trail your stop loss. See, if you want, you can take a screenshot or a snap of the settings of the indicators. Super trend is 4 and 2. Okay, yes, EMA is 10 and 13. Okay. So now we'll move on to the next topic.
Could you could you go into slightly more depth into how did you end up selecting them and what's
So
the
I try
rationale
to
of using this?
okay. See, we are trying to capture the whole market. Means like I don't want to miss out on any sector. See, this is the US markets, then the mid cap, then Nifty, auto Bs, consumption Bs. See, auto Bs is in a strong trend, uptrend. Okay, see. Now I don't know which stock to buy. And for example, I don't know which stock to buy in auto sector. So what I'll do is simply buy it here, and that too I will invest in auto bees so that I get a part of each and every stock. Okay, and see, basically I'm looking to sell options. So what I do is I accumulate ETFs and then pledge them so that I can use that same amount of money for my intraday trading. Okay, see, then infra bees. Okay, see, infra bees and bank bees are very important because see these stocks now whenever India is like in a upward trajectory, like economically wise, we'll be in expansion mode. So expansion mode, we will the country will require funds and infrastructure main. So these two sectors they can give you a good money in a bull run. See, and then you can do the same thing with gold bees as well. See, even though the movement is slow, but end of the day gold has to go up only because it's a safe haven. Okay, see. Then suppose say if anyone is doesn't want to take risk at all, so he can park his money in liquid bees as well. Suppose he's doing only option selling, but he wants to park his money somewhere. Okay, then he will put it in liquid bees. So in this, it is a range bound. It's like there's no appreciation and all in this. Only you get is interest, that too in the form of units only. Okay, so you can either sell the units or keep on compounding and keeping it so that you keep on getting more money and keep on doing option selling. Okay, so let's move on to the next topic, which will be swing or positional trading in Nifty 500 stocks. Make sure that you use this method only after a downtrend for effective results. You can apply it on large cap stocks after a black swan event as well. In this method, we'll be using the 200 simple moving average method. See, in this method, the close price should be above all the SMAs price, but below 200 SMAs price. Okay, means like the close price should be above 5 SMA, 10 SMA, 20 SMA, 50 SMA, and 100 SMA, but it should be below 200 SMA. So our trigger price will be equal to 200 SMA or above 200 SMA. Okay, see, I'll show it to you with an example. See, for example, the stock is in downtrend and it is trading at a price value of 100. Okay, the 10 SMA's value is 105, 20 is 110, 50 is 115, 100 is 120, and 200 is 125. So look at this. Okay. Suppose we are in a downtrend. Now the stock is trying to move up. Okay. First we'll try to take out the 10 SMA, close above the 10 SMA, then 20 SMA, then 50 SMA, then 100, and then 200. Okay. You can even use 50 and 100 also, but you won't get much good results in these. Okay. Try to use the 200 SMA breakout only. Okay. See. Now I'll show it you on charts as well. See. Now the most recent trades that I took according to this method was in Vedanta and Gujarat Gas. We'll make it to 1 day time frame. MA setup. You see, we got the trade over here. See, look at this. See, stock was in a continuous downtrend. See, it was moving below all the moving averages. See, it took out the 10 SMA, then 20, then 50, then 100, and now see 200 SMA. Suppose we bought here, we keep a stop loss of 10%. Okay, for large cap only 5% SL. Okay, see, now it is trading around 272. See, Gujarat Gas. See, look at this. This was on 29th December. See, stock was in a continuous downtrend. Took out the 10 SMA, took out the 20 SMA, then 50, then 100, and then 200. And see the move. Okay. These are my current year's trades. Okay. See, now EPL also, SL Pro Pack. And this also, see, all the moving averages were trading below the 200 SMA. We place our order here and see Twice it also hunted a SL also. It means stop loss is a part of the game. We all know that. See, here I got stopped out. See, then next trade was ICICI Prudential Life. See, here also 200 SMA. See, then was Swan Energy. Here also I got stopped out once. See, here the breakout failed. See, I entered here. In intraday, I could have squared off my position, but I didn't. I thought that it will go up, but the breakout failed within a week. Okay. See, then again it gave me an entry over here. See, all the moving averages are trading below the 200 SMA. Here I will place. So the concept of it is that most of the traders what they do is they try to trade the crossover. You will never do that. Okay, we will just place a buying order at the 200 SMA, but we should have a look at the chart as well. That all the moving averages are trading below the 200 moving average. Okay, see. Now the question is, where will we get these values? Because there are so many stocks. How can we keep a track of them? Okay. So wait, there's a website named Top Stock Research. Okay. Yes. See, here you can go Nifty 500, and then go to technical section. See, here you can download the file from here. See,
We can build
when
this
you come to
using charting also, right?
yes, sir. You can use charting also. But, sir, the matter is that we have to look at the charts as well. So this website is available at a very premium price. The subscription is a it's almost negligible.
Okay.
So like retail traders, they prefer using this. See, I have another community also. So where I teach them using this method only. Yes. See. So here we have to filter out the stocks. See. Let's enable editing. Close minus 200 SMA. Then you will select. But currently the market is too bullish, so the number of trades will be less. Okay. But most of the stocks are trading above that 200 moving average. We will do this B3. Now we will filter, sort it out, means like sort out the stocks. See, go to filter. Sorry, custom sort. Smallest to largest, huh? Remember this. Okay. See. Now see, we are in a bullish run. So the number of trades out of 500 stocks, hardly 51 stocks are there which are trading below the 200 SMA. See, that too, these might be giving a correction right now. Okay. See, because most of them are neutral, mildly bearish, like this. So, but there are some stocks which we can keep a track of. See, Page Industries is one of them. See, it is trading below all its moving averages. See, get this. We can mark it. Hmm. Yeah. Then Navin Floor also. See, it's trading below all the moving averages. We can take a confirmation from the chart as well. See, go to Page Industries. Hmm. See. The stock is in a continuous downtrend. See, look at this area. See, we wouldn't take this entry because see the 100 SMA is trading above the 200 SMA. Okay, now we can start tracking this stock. See, so whenever this stock tries to move up, this will be a trigger price. Okay, the moving average value will keep on changing daily. So you have to do this exercise daily. I know it's a bit tedious, but it's worth it because you will get a good amount of trade. It's like risk to reward ratio will be good. See, see if there's a successful breakout. See if you're good at price action. See this can be your first target. This can be your second target. Once it takes out this region, then this can be your next target, and this as well. Okay, I hope everyone understood.
Yes, this is good. There's a question, what is your exit strategy?
Exits are 10% stop loss for small cap and mid cap, and 5% for large cap. See, sir, for large cap also, if you see after a black swan event like COVID time, see once it crossed above mm, the 200 SMA, look at this. See now, if you're waiting for a 50 and this 200 SMA crossover, you'll end up buying here. I don't want to end up buying here. I want to start buying here. See, okay.
I
Okay.
think,
Now let's
guys,
move on.
please feel free to
What?
unmute yourself one by one and ask
Yeah.
questions. There's few questions.
Yes, yes.
What is the average target that we are expecting post
See,
the 200 crossover?
see, depends. See, I normally square up my position within 2 months. Okay. Now, some people they keep on holding
Okay.
till the stock doesn't trade below its 200 SMA. See, some people positional traders means they will
Hmm.
exit here. See,
Okay.
okay. But I don't like to hold for such long. I want regular trades. Like
Yeah. So, but
sometimes,
in an average, you must be having. So you are scanning it on everyday basis. So
yes,
you must
daily,
not be
daily, yes,
trading every day, right?
yes, yes. It's like a homework. It's like your homework only. You have to do it
Okay.
daily. Hmm.
Okay. Okay.
You can even add scanners, but the problem with scanners is that some people, after adding the scanner, they stop looking at the charts. But we will have to look at the charts also first. Because see, all the lines should be below the 200 SMA.
Hmm.
Okay. Then they will say the
Okay.
accuracy is less of the trading style and all that. We don't want all that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Have you tried automating this?
Yeah, I
So
was going to ask the same
I
question.
tried, but I got a like there was too many fault because see, I'll tell you why. See, like this kind of areas, no sir, it will give me a false signal. See this. I want a significant downtrend. I don't want small corrections. Okay? See.
But so can you? There are a few questions in the chat, but I'll also add few mine and I'll go to the chat questions. Can you not add a
Mm,
trend scanner or something and see for a continuous downtrend for, let's say, 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and then pick it up? Like,
mm.
have you tried adding trend indicators to identify trend and then look at MS?
No, sir. For trend indicators, till now I only tried for intraday
Okay,
and not for positional.
okay, got it. There's two, three more questions which I'll ask. I think Ranjit has asked for target, what's your strategy? But I think you answered that you try to hold it for 2 months and alternatively you
Yes,
can
yes.
check for the position. Uh,
Okay.
uh,
After, sir, then if you want, some people now what they do is they'll add super trend and keep trading the stop loss. You can even do that.
mm, What's the risk to reward ratio for this strategy usually for you? I know it could.
1:2.
Okay, you take 1:2.
Hmm.
And do you check? I think Jaipal is asking, do you check for any volume before entry or exit?
No, no, no volume. Because he's, I know one thing is that I have a mentor. He told me that many mutual fund or big industries like trading institutes and all, they place their order at 200 SMA. Many stocks you'll see now, fundamentally strong stocks also, like example Nifty 50 stocks.
Hmm.
Whenever they go below the 200 SMA, see, quickly there will be buying. See, it means that the stock is trading at a discount. Okay, see this, see this. Okay. This is an exception because this was the COVID time. Okay. See,
So you bought in a word black swan events also. Have you tried seeing this for something like Polycab or something else where you had a very sharp falling of the price which resulted in some kind of price
sir,
getting below every
quickly
SMA?
see. Okay, like you're talking about polycap, na, sir.
Just as
So
an
whenever there's
example,
a
sharp downtrend or like a sharp fall.
okay due to some news or something, na?
Yeah, could be anything. So you said black
So
swan, right? So that's what I'm trying to understand.
yes, black swan means like this COVID, then the 2006, 2008 crash, like that I'm talking about. See, like this. See.
Okay.
Okay. Like, I would like to buy the stock only when it has certain amount of power to go up. Basically, I don't use smaller moving averages. See, yeah, because see, it can the breakout can fail as well. See, 10, 20 it can come down, but 200 SMA is something means like the stock is really ready to move up after a long time. So it can give a good amount of breakout also. Okay.
This is completely for your swing setup, right?
Yes, swing and position also.
Okay.
Yes.
Sir, I have a question. This is not completely related to this, but so this is all related to positional and swing. So if you're scanning it on intraday basis, like on daily basis, so is there something similar for an intraday thing?
Sir, intraday means the accuracy is very low. I tried it.
No, I'm not talking just because of this SMA kind of criteria. In general, I'm asking, like regardless of
Candle.
this.
Actually, what is your question?
So I was asking, so if somebody wants to trade an intraday thing, so is this some kind of modification in this can happen for intraday for a percentage gain in terms of like that? I'm asking.
I have been like testing certain indicators for the last 3 months for intraday. See, I'll show you my algos also see. But the problem with option buying or trend trading is that the drawdown is too much. See,
Mm-hmm.
I have tried multiple indicators.
Okay.
It was the least till now. I tried the crossover. I tried the same on a smaller time frame also, but it doesn't work out well.
Okay.
And because basically the market structure is like only hardly out of 100 days, 30 days the market will be trending.
Mm-hmm.
So chances of drawdown are huge.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's move on to the next topic.
Sure.
Or hello. Hi.
I guess.
So I would like to ask that suppose you filter stocks on daily basis and you have put a track on it, or suppose you put a filter on day and you keep track on the specific stocks?
No, I don't keep a track. It means like daily I do this similar exercise daily on daily
Okay.
basis. It hardly takes 5 to 10 minutes to filter out the stocks.
Okay.
So what I understood, and correct me, Karan, if I'm misstating, he uses the
Mm.
tool. Forgot the name of the website. Can you pop it up again? No, there was this.
Ah,
Yeah. So he uses
stock
this
club.
stockresearch.com for quick and quickly getting all of these SMAs, and he downloads it, and then
See,
he does the assessment in
mm,
Excel and
yes,
gets it every single
I
day.
use this for my hedge strategies as well. See, I'll show you all. See, if you go to indicator, just type Nifty 50. Mm. Technicals. Right. Okay, see. Now Adani Enterprise is showing a bullish sign. Okay, on, and I will check the oversold, overbought indicators as well. See, now both are showing bullish. Both the indicators means almost there might be around 30-40 indicators together. So I will create an hedge position with a bullish view. Okay, I never trade naked positions for options. The website is very helpful. See, here you can create a trade with a mild bullish view, a mild bearish view. See, Sipla bullish view, like that. That I'll show you in the upcoming slides. Okay. See, the next one is demand and supply. So one should use this method only if you're good at price action and understand the market structure properly. Okay. See, there are certain amount of stocks in which you can identify these zones. And try to find these zones on a weekly or monthly time frame. See, look at this Gujarat gas chart. See, from here we had a huge rally. The market means the price came back to this level. There was some buying, and now again it has come back to this level. See, again there's buying from this area. Same thing goes with this stock. See, we can easily identify these zones. See, whenever the price comes to this level, there is some buying activity going on. See, now this Petronet LNG is also a very good stock if you're trying to make small returns in short term. See, whenever the stock comes near 200 rupees, see, there is buying activity going on. See, every time, and this is happening since 2018. See, see this level. Even during the COVID level, the stock came down a little bit more to 180, but this was the buying zone. See, REC PFC, the story is different. Forget the breakout, but this is like a grandpa stock. Many investors, old investors, prefer this stock. See, whenever it comes to this region, see, there is buying activity. And this area, see, since 2013, see, look at this. See, this. Same thing goes with PFC. I will recommend you all one book as well, through which you can learn about identifying these zones. See, because many times you will observe that big players and institutions, they have a certain area where they will try to enter the stock. They won't try to buy the stock at a premium. Okay. See, City Union Bank as well. See, in September I bought this stock here. See, now currently it is trading here. See this zone. Buying started in this region. Stock corrected back to this same level. See, during the COVID. See, again buying activity. See. I will show you all how to mark your targets. See, wait 1 minute. See, it need not be accurate. Okay, see, take a horizontal line. Place your stop loss here below the previous low. Okay, then your first target will be here. Your buying zone will be this region. See, sometimes what the operator might do is he might try to get the stop a little bit lower and then take it out. Okay, they try to eat the stop loss of retail traders as well. Many times you'll observe that in intraday it happens. First, I was an option buyer only. After having so many drawdowns, I stopped. See, then your next target will be the previous supply zone. See, there was the previous supply zone. See, selling started from here. So this will be your next target. Means sellers are active here. Sellers are active here. Okay. And here also, this will be your final target. Above this, the stock can go much higher. Okay. See, this is how you will mark your entries and exits. See, this will be your stop loss. Okay. Here you entered in this area. Okay. Now, arrow. Yeah. See, this is how we should actually place our targets. Okay, for positional trades. If you're trading according to this method, okay. But kindly note, use this method only if you're good at price action and understand the market structure properly. Okay.
Like, there are two questions, so I'm not sure if they're questions or more like comments. One is Ranjit is talking about wondering why such stocks are correcting to a specific level. No idea.
So because institutions,
Yeah.
yeah,
Mm.
if you study, there's a book called Trading in the Zone. See, in that book also you can learn a lot about these regions. See, it will take time. It will take around 5-6 months for you to learn, but it's worth it because you know the levels in and out, where you can enter, when you can exit, and you'll get good amount of risk to reward ratio. Means good risk to reward ratio you get. There's a book named Supply and Demand Trading by Frank Miller. Okay. So let's move on to the next topic. See, I use this concept in intraday. It's working pretty well. Pin bar concept. Many of you all might be knowing Munai Sahuma. He was the inventor of candlesticks. Okay. See, it's a very powerful price action tool. See, I'll show you in the charts as well. See, if you go to Bank Nifty charts, Nifty charts, this is for intraday traders. Those who wish to trade. Just use William fractals as well. Use this indicator. Okay. See. Look at this. See, here we had a pin bar. See, on 11th, on 15 minutes time frame. See. Okay. The markets went down continuously. See. Then here we had a big pin bar. See. Okay. See this pin bar. And see this pin bar. No candle closed above it. See. You can enter once any candle closes below this. See. You entered here. See. Okay. See this pin bar. It's a very powerful tool. Okay. See, I created a hedge position in HDFC Bank on the short side using this concept on daily time frame. See, see this pin bar. Okay. See this. See this pin bar. Okay. This is a very easy concept. You can even name it as rocket. Nothing else. All you need is big wicks. Okay. See, if you want to see Sun Pharmacy, then on Sun Pharmacy, two big red candles, and then one pin bar. That means the basic concept of this candle is that after a big downtrend, the sellers are trying to move the prices more lower, but the buyers show strength. And similar thing is with the bearish pin bar. The buyers are trying to take the prices higher, but sellers show pressure. Okay, it's a very easy concept. Okay, see now I'll share with you some of my hedge trades. See, this is how ultra cement trade that I took last week. See, I'll show you all one indicator also on the basis of which I took this trade. I'm still forward testing it. After 6 to 8 months, I'll share it with you. Okay. See, based on this indicator. If you go to trading view, see, see this indicator. Ultra tech. Give me a sell signal over here. Okay. Trend lines are very important. Okay. See. So I just created a bear call spread. Similar thing with Maruti. I recently created this indicator, so I'm still forward testing it. Once I gain confidence, I'll share it in the community. Okay? See this. But I missed the trade out here. See, I entered here in Jan series. See, now when you're hedging, even if the stock moves 1% in your direction, you'll be making decent amount of profit. Okay? See, that's the benefit because you're having theta also on your side. Okay, see. Now suppose I'm bullish, I am neutral on some stock. So this is how my position will go. See, this is Hindustan Unilever. This is like my bread and butter activity. I keep on doing it regularly every month because I know this stock has a very limited range and it's a low beta stock. If you all want, you all can even back test or simulate it on Ostra also. See, even during the COVID, even though the market fell around 50%, this stock hardly fell around 20% and again moved up. And all the I never take trades without data. Okay, see, this is the Hindustan Unilever's historical data. See, in 2023, look at the moves. Hardly this much. Only in last year November we had a 10% to 11% move, and most volatile months were these: July 2022, 20%, then 2021 August around 18%, and March during the COVID time. So see, now I'll share one strategy in which how we can create our hedge positions, okay, with limited risk. So we go to the middle. Let's take, for example, we'll take Reliance. Okay. Let's say I'm bullish on Reliance because the market is in a strong uptrend. Okay. See, so what I will do is I will go two strikes in the money and short one put. Okay. And I will also got a call of the similar strike. Okay. See, the position looks something like this. But what if tomorrow the market crashes? I don't have any insurance or protection on the downside. So what I will do is my break even on the lower side is 2692. So what I will do is I will buy one cheap OTM option, the put side. Okay. So you get around 2760, right? Okay. See. Okay. But if you even want, suppose the price reaches this, okay, this break even, and you want to even protect this loss as well. Okay. You don't want to end up giving your 8 to 9,000 rupees of loss. So what you will do is expand this region. Okay. How you will do it? We will square off our call position. Okay. You want kindly note it down. Okay. So now my break evens will be 2730. Okay. So I will go and short one call strike which is near to this value. Okay. So let's say I take 2720. Okay. We'll go and short. Okay. Add position. Okay. See, now my loss is much limited. Okay. And my range has also expanded. See. Okay. So in hedging, the benefit is that whenever you change your view, you can even adjust your positions accordingly, even though your profit will decrease after you adjust your position, but your loss will be limited. Okay, that's the benefit of hedging. Okay, see, because buying naked call and put, you will have, you might win one or two trades. But when the market is stable or stagnant or sideways, you won't be able to make much money. Okay,
Uh, Sir, I have a question.
hmm.
Sir, how to find low beta stocks via Opstra or anywhere?
How to find?
So, do we have to like physically download the data and make the percentage, and that's the only way, or there's some much easier indicator kind of thing
For what?
Getting a
for
low beta stock.
non-directional trade? Low beta
No, no,
stock that
low
is
beta.
non-directional.
Okay, on money control also you get it. No? Like if you have the mobile app, whenever you open the stocks, this information, there you'll find the beta.
Okay.
Mm. Okay, don't see. If you want, take a screenshot of the stocks which I trade my hedge position. See, where I'll give it to you. 1 minute.
Don't worry
Focus on
about this.
limited stock.
This is recorded, so I'll upload it on YouTube and you can refer it later.
Okay, okay.
I think low beta stock screeners are also available on
Yes,
different
yes.
websites.
See, I only prefer these 10 stocks because see, these stocks are not going to hit upper circuit or lower circuit in 1 day. Okay, so you get enough time to create your hedge positions, okay, or adjust your positions as well.
Yeah, because even I what do you call it, do hedging in terms of iron corridor and those kind of
Okay,
non-directional strategies.
okay, it's good, na?
Yeah. I just asking like, is there a faster way for benefit of everybody? That's why.
Mm-hmm. No, first I used to do in Reliance also, but now you can't define the range of Reliance also. See, Hindustan Unilever is a stock which is very stable and range bound.
Hmm.
If you go to Reliance Industries, look at the chart. See, it is giving big moves. So I don't want these kind of stocks now. Okay. Whereas if you see Hindustan Unilever's chart, see, Right. This one. See, the stock trades in a very limited range. See, on the upside 2750, on the lower side 2450. Even Kotak Mahindra for the last 3 years, it's trading in a range, within a range. Sorry. See this. See, we want these kind of stocks with limited movement, but avoid trading them during results. Okay, because they can move up 2-3% or down 2-3% within a single day. For trading results, there's a different strategy which I'll share next time. Okay, so let's move on to the last topic, which is our expiry date trading.
Something which I just want to call out very clearly is that, all of these are for educational purposes. Please
Yes.
don't take this as recommendations for buy and sell. I am for sure not a certified, whatever the rule is, and neither most likely Karan is. So we are just trying to capture educational content. Use the strategy, try and understand what he's talking about. If you want to experiment with whatever he has explained, that's completely on your own risk. We are not liable in any way for any profit or loss that happens. Just wanted to lay that out very clearly. I should have done at the beginning, but never too late. Back to you, Karan.
Okay. So this will be our expiry date strategy. Okay. So Mondays we will avoid this strategy because Mondays are usually volatile. Okay. So no mid cap and bank X expiry. Okay. So for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we have 4 days of expiry. Okay. We'll enter at 10:30 because nowadays I have clearly observed that between 9:15 to 10:15 we have a spike which hunts the stop loss of many orders. See, you might have observed on the charts. See, okay, and
Yeah.
after 3 p.m. also you'll see due to the squaring of positions, there are big candles which are being formed. Okay, so we will use this. I have backtested this strategy as well. Okay, now I'm forward testing it currently. There are many platforms. See, Algo Test, you all can forward test on Algo Test as well. And for backtest, Stock Mock, Algo Test, then you have Quantlab as well. Okay. See, what I'm basically trying to do is I'm trying to make the ATM call and put. I'm trying to make them run. Means like if they want to hit my stop loss, they'll have to means like delta has to run. Okay, and we all know that delta won't run daily. Okay, and on the other side, theta will also be like countering the delta. Okay, so we are trying to capture the theta on expiry day. Okay, in index, I don't prefer doing positional trades because there are usually gap up and gap down. Okay, if you see the Hindustan Unilever chart, see you will never see a gap down. Now, after doing all this, what is the monthly expectation? Okay, so for index, when we do expiry day trading, I expect monthly a return of 2%. Okay, on capital deployed for index, and for stocks 3 to 4% after expenses, slippage, etc. Okay, and index sometimes is volatile, so there might be 1 or 2 months where you might not even make 1%. You might even make a negative of 2%. But it doesn't matter. End of the year, when we are calculating total on capital, we are aiming to make around 30 to 35%. Okay. Plus, in case if you have your ETFs pledged, you will get returns from there as well. Okay. So this is how we should plan out like how, but make sure that on your expiry day trading, you keep your risk management systems in position. Okay. If RMS of 1% is hit, kindly exit all your positions. Okay. Otherwise, your drawdown will increase. Okay. Let's say you're trading with a capital of 10 lakhs and it's showing minus 10,000. So kindly square off your positions. Okay. Because sometimes what will happen is if you're using an algo platform, not coding by Python and all that. So in case if there's a technical issue and the platform is down due to server issue and all, so keep a track of this. As soon as your 1% RMS is hit, kindly exit. Okay. That's it. Thank you.